Evan and I today visited Dinkins Manufactured Homes on James Campbell Boulevard, less than a mile from the house. And it's a nice arrangement. You go to the back of the lot, past about a dozen manufactured homes, and you go into the office and they give you a price sheet for everything that's on the lot, and they say just go ahead and walk through them all if you like. They're all unlocked. So Evan and I walked through a good 4 or 5 of them, including a single wide, which was pretty austere but cheap, and including another one that was a triple wide. It had something like 3,000 some square feet and cost over $300,000 just the house itself and the installation of it. But the one we landed on was about 2,000 square feet, a little over 2,000 square feet, I think $260,000. We're not 100% sure. That includes the house and everything installed on concrete or piers and so a foundation, as it were. That's the installed cost. Just the additional cost would be land improvement and the land itself. So you walk in and you get yourself a family room with a fireplace. Pretty decent size, kind of hard to tell here. I'm going to go to the back wall. There's an outdoor porch. Go to the right, and there's a master bedroom. Master bath, interesting layout. A sink on one side, a walk-in shower, a bathroom, and a sink on the other side. Evan does not come with the house. There's coming back through the family room. A little further on, there's a dining room on the right, and kitchen on the right with an island. Then there's Jack and Jill bedrooms. They're both about, I suppose, 10 by 10. Bathroom in the middle, shared bathroom with a tub. And a little further on, you basically have a utility room with a utility sink in the back and a washer and dryer hookup right there. And so that's a home. It's about 2,000 square feet, fully installed, around $262,000.